Right, today we'll be fitting the Vamoose awning rail. We need to get this up here. And we'd like to welcome our neighbour Andy, who's very kindly offered to help us today. Once the positioning was correct, we measured approximately 5mm above the shut line of the sliding door. Next, we are using the supplied self-drilling pilot screws to secure the awning rail. It's important to start in the middle of the van and work your way to the windscreen. Some go in easier than others. Now remove the pilot screws. Give the area a good clean before applying the adhesive. This is the adhesive that came in the DIY kit. Apply a tiny amount of sealant to each pre-drilled hole on the van. And now to get the rail into position without smudging the adhesive. Using the supplied black stainless steel screws, we are fixing the rail to the van. And there we are, the awning rail is on. Just one last thing to do. Masking around the seal of the front rubber profile. Right, so that was us fitting the Vamoose awning rail. Next up is us boxing in the electrics and the plumbing in the garage. Stay tuned. Right, she wasn't lying. Let's tidy this up. Got the ply at the ready. Just marking where we want the handholds. Looking good. And for one last final touch. And look at that, so pleased. Oh, and one last thing. Now, I'm sure you didn't expect us to do all of that to the inside and not do something pretty special on the outside. Well, here it is. She's looking like a real camper van now. And check out the new wheels. I've put together some footage at the end of this video of us using the camper van. I hope you enjoy and thank you so much for watching.
Got a walkie-talkie. Something says Dover Seaways, but I thought it was Dover Surways.
Who have you got there?
My cuddlies.
Your goodlies.
Good morning, Jack.